Hello, everyone. We know how expensive jeans are nowadays, and we want to get as much use out of them as we can. And because of that, we want to make them as strong, as sturdy as we can. So, you will need 2 colors of thread, one that is darker, one that is lighter for this project. A lot of tips for you guys to help you. You can go to Hobby Lobby and get these patches, and you can self-adhese them underneath the area where it's been ripped. And then you want to get some fusible webbing, and what that's going to do is just give it a little bit extra support to keep that patch from flying up later. So you're going to do that, and you're going to adhesive all of those together, and you are going to top stitch around the webbing or the interfacing all the way around the fusible interfacing to keep it secure. Once you've done all those steps, you are going to put it on your embroidery machine, and using the file that we are giving away free to a lucky 2 subscribers, we are going to be giving away a free file. So in a little bit after this clip, I will tell you how to win this. Okay, the rules are: you must share, like, subscribe, and comment below with the word repair. Once you've done all those things, you will go into a pool where a computer will actually pick your name from the list. It's not me, it's not YouTube, it's all from that. Also, there will be instructions in that file, the USB file that we are giving you. So now we're going to get back to the video. Welcome back. So to make this a little bit more sturdier, we are going to add another of the fusible webbing to the back side and stitch it down and iron it on so you don't get that itchy, which could rub you. So this is going to make it not rub you. So do that. Put that on. Fuse it on. Top stitch it over top just to keep it secure. So the rules have been posted inside the description below. Please look at them carefully. And congratulations to anybody that wins. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay. Well,